Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create mockup background in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm going to create two different images. The first one will be a coffee mug, and then we are going to add some quotations on it on photo P, and then I'm going to create a empty photo frame with some background, and then again we are going to edit it on photo V. So without further ado, let's start. So let's create our coffee mug first. To do that, I'm going to write down /imagine and hit enter once. Let's start with our medium, which is going to be a mockup. So let's write that down, and then we are going to add some attributes. Let's say text list, because in some cases Midjourney adds a text or a logo on your image. So let's write that down, and let's add some adjectives like white and porcelain, and let's add our object, which is a coffee mug, and let's stylize this. Try to stick the prompts that I use in your own prompts as well. So I'm going to write down studio lighting first, and then I'm going to write down product photography. I'm going to write down ultra texture, and finally I'm going to write down rim lighting, and let's hit space once and type down --V and hit space once again and type down 5 to run this prompt in Midjourney version 5, which is the latest edition. So let's hit enter to generate our coffee mug, and here's our coffee mugs. Fourth one looks very real, so I'm going to upscale that one, and let's click on this thumbnail and select open in browser, and let's save this image into our computer. Now let's create a empty photo frame. To do that, I'm going to write down /imagine again, and then let's start with our medium, which is a mockup. So let's write that down, and then I'm going to add some attributes. So let's write down empty. Again, in some cases Midjourney adds a photograph or a text into your frame. So let's write down our object, which is a photo frame, and let's define our settings. So I'm going to write down in a living room, but you can change that as well. You can write down an office desk, etc. And finally, to stylize this, I'm going to write down ambient lighting, and let's hit space once and type down --V and hit space once again and type down 5. So let's run this prompt in Midjourney version 5, and let's hit enter to generate. And here's our empty frames. So first one looks nice, so I'm going to upscale that one. So simply click on U1 to upscale it, and here's our upscaled photo frame. So I just simply click on open in browser and save this image into my computer, and let's close this tab, and let's open photo P, and then here I'm going to select open from computer, and let's select our coffee mug. So on the side menu, I'm going to select this type tool and click on this mug, and let's write a quotation about coffee onto our coffee mug. So I'm going to write down even bad coffee is better than no coffee at all. It's a quotation from my favorite directors, which is David Lynch. So let's write that down, and let's click on confirm, and let's resize this. And here's our coffee mug with a quotation. So let's move on to our empty photo frame. To do that, I'm going to click on file and select open and select my empty photo frame, and then I'm going to click on file and click on open and select an image that I want to put into that photo frame. So I already made a wedding invitation in Midjourney, so I'm going to put that invitation into that empty frame. So let's open our wedding invitation, and then I'm going to select crop tool, and let's crop this invitation, and then select this delete crop pixels box and click on confirm. And let's copy this image and paste it into here, and let's resize it. This looks nice. So that's basically how to create a mockup background with Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.